bitch! I got a fucking chainsaw! Ah!
David, I'm going to the market. And I want you to clean up your room.
Yeah, Mom.
Do something with that disgusting fur.
Little swine. Shower time, shit!
Hi, I'm Klaus Meiner of the Scorpions, and I have picked Rhythm of Love as a classic Scorpions track because we had a great time shooting it. And I mean, Rhythm of Love, I mean, it's not about dancing in the Caribbean, right, or something like this. It's about serious stuff, you know?